Velma,
Do you regret it?
regret what?
Na minahal mo ako, na pinili mo ako because according to your mom,
Of course not. You know how my mom gets.
I know how she gets. Kaya lahat ng sinasabi niya sa'yo, tumatatak sa'yo na akala mo totoo.
How could you say that? Ano pa bang gusto mong gawin ko?
I want you to defend me, to love me, to choose me.
Hindi ko pa ba ginagawa yun? I give you everything, even for this company.
No. Your mom comes here and she tries to micromanage me. She's saying that everything that I'm doing here is wrong. At hinahayaan mo siya. And now, she wants me to quit? Para saan? Para magbitbit na naman ng bata sa tiyan ko?
Anong magagawa ko? She's my mother.
Na sana siya nalang pinakasalan mo. Kung magtatago ka lang sa palda ng nanay mo. I need you to be my husband, not just her son.
Okay, let's not overreact, okay? May point naman si Mama, di ba?
No, we've done this so many times. We've done OI, IUI, IVF. Yes, nakabuo tayo ng once, but nawala din. Alam mo, pinapamukha mo sa akin? That I am not enough. That I was a mistake.
You know that's not true.
That it was a mistake for you to marry someone like me who's older than you.
Alam mong hindi totoo yan, Velma.
Kung hindi totoo, bakit ka nangaliwa sa akin when I failed to give you a baby before? Sa mas bata pa sa akin. Eddie, you broke me. You broke me so many times. My body, my soul, my spirit. And now you want to try again? And what if it doesn't work out? What's gonna happen?
It's gonna work. We have to try. It's gonna work. We'll have our family. We'll be happy.
Don't hurt me again. Please. Don't hurt me again.
Never again.